Hi, Sukesh and Prajna. We both wish you a happy wedding anniversary, 25th wedding anniversary. May God bless you.
Hello, Sukesh Prajna, wishing you very happy silver wedding and God bless you.
Hi Prajna and Sukesh. Wish you happy 25th wedding anniversary. May God bless you.
Hi Sukesh and Prajna.
Happy anniversary to a great pair of people who belong together.
Your anniversary may be silver, but the love is gold.
Happy anniversary, Mantha and Mai.
Lots of love.
Happy wedding anniversary, Prajna and Sukesh. Have a great day. Dev Bare Karo.
Happy anniversary, Prajna and Sukesh Babaji.
Hi Sukesh, Mantu and Pratimave.
Hi Prajna, hi Sukesh. Wishing you both a very happy silver wedding anniversary.
And many more happy milestones to come.
And bless you with abundance of good health, peace and happiness.
Hi Prajna, hi Sukesh, how are you? Today is your silver 25th wedding anniversary. God bless both of you with good health, happiness and long life. A day will come when all of us will meet and celebrate it in a good, grand manner. We are all with you. God always does everything for our good. Don't lose heart, hopes. This is a small hurry. For everything there is a time limit. Good has to come, but it will take a little time. Bye for now and enjoy both of you. Today is yours. Bye.
Happy wedding anniversary. Bye.
Dear Puggy and Sukesh, 25 years of togetherness truly depicting a bond of love and friendship.
Be it your love for each other or towards the family is truly special and admiring.
Being the glue in bringing this family together through numerous lunches and dinners.
Allowing to create beautiful memories and joyful moments with you.
Years raising a toast to your glorious 25 years and the many more wonderful years to come.
Happy anniversary, Puggy and Sukesh.
Lots of love, Bharti,
Mahesh,
and Amanya.
Have a wonderful day and a great year ahead.
Hi, Suki and Puggy, wishing you both a very happy, lovely, blissful 25th wedding anniversary, and many more years of wedded bliss with lot of happiness, good health, and tons of joy. I just can't believe that it's already 25 years. Wow. So just want to tell you that what a wonderful mate for each other couple you both are, and I just can't tell you how wonderful what a wonderful brother Sukesh is. So helpful to everybody, ever smiling, and Puggy of course is more like a friend to me and has always been. I still very distinctly remember the day when you both were to meet at some cafe, and then we got the good news that it's okay, and then the engagement, and then the wedding. It's really, time has really flown by, and you're almost like the Bunty but bubbly couple, like Gundu and Gundi. So may you always remain like that. Love you both a lot. Happy wedding anniversary. And Sukesh, don't forget to give her the solitaire. Puggy, you must ask for that.
This is just to wish you a very happy wedding anniversary and many happy returns of the day. May silver turn to gold and gold to diamond. Wish you all the best, both of you, and lots of love.
Hi
Sukesh. Hi Puggy.
Wish
Wishing you a very happy 25th
silver wedding anniversary and many happy returns of the
Many
day.
happy returns of the day.
Yes. Elliot, look there. Say happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Pragnani Sukesh. Dev Bare Koro. God bless you with lots of love, health, happiness, and togetherness.
Happy
anniversary,
dearest Pratnya
and Sukesh Babaji.
Happy silver anniversary! Yay! Hi Pratnya and Sukesh. Happy 25th anniversary. This is Miyu and me wishing you a very happy anniversary. Miyu has just got a super short military haircut and she's looking like a white rat instead of a white Persian cat. Now she's wishing you a very happy anniversary. Happy 25th.
Hi Pratnya and Sukesh, wishing you a very happy 25th anniversary. आम्ही या लॉकडाउनानी पूरा कोरोनानी जातरी एक व्हडले पार्टी करचे आसा. 25th is a really big milestone. So we have to celebrate. आम्ही तुमगे ते 8th मार्च आयल तेन्ना डिस्कस केलेले. लायक एक डान्स पार्टी करता म्हणून सो ते प्लॅन करूया कळवा
पूरे जणे खै खै असत थंय डान्स करूया 25th हॅपी 25th
ये
Hi Prajna Sukesh, wish you a happy silver wedding anniversary. Wishing you all the best with health, wealth, happiness and peace. God bless you. देव बरें करो. आमी तुमगेलो वार्डेकी खातीर म्हणू हांव आनी मिमी मुंबय दुखून आयिल्लीं ती आनी भारी गंमत जालें तुगेलो फूल मुद्दी प्रोग्रामांनी जातारी डान्स करचे म्हूण पुरा रेकॉर्ड्स लावन आनी पुरा गंमत केलेलें खंय गेल्यार हांव सुरवेरी डान्सिंग फ्लोरार वचचें मस्त जाणा लज्जानी करता हांव वचून मागीर विमी आनी आपूण मागीर तशी पुरा डान्स आनी करचें बी त्या दिवस कंठापटी डान्स आनी करून मागीर सुमार सिनियर सिटीजन बरें तुगेले माई आनी परत जाण येवन मागीर डान्स आनी केलेले स्टील आय रिमेंबर आनी बरी गंमत जालेलें ताजे मागीर परत डान्सा प्रोग्राम जाता मागीर बसून जोक्स फर्ड हे आतां परत जालें कंठापटी रात्री सुमार वेळटार आमी उरलो आनी बशिल्लीं ती सो विशींग यू ऑल दी बेस्ट गॉड ब्लेस यू गंमतेर आसात दोगांत प्रितीर आसात ऑल दी बेस्ट गॉड ब्लेस यू माय ब्लेसिंग्स
Hi Pradnya and Sukesh, a very happy 25th anniversary to you. Ashok also wishes you, you know how camera shy he is. And कसं सांगचे गो तुमगेल विषय like you are my absolute favorites. तुम्ही म्हाका मेगेलींची like you know it's just like you're a part of our family only. So there is no Miguel Ammale, Mammale Duo, Aditigel Pampodo, or something of that sort. And we've always gelled well, all of us, you know. And especially since childhood, we've had the funnest times. And Sukesh, Tugel family is like, it's again like our own, like an extension of our family. So, tumi dog gent kashi malari made for each other. MADE also, MAID also. So, we are fortunate that you guys are, you all belong to us. And really fortunate, like such loving souls. I mean, we must have done something in our, like, you know, karmas that you all are in our lives. आणि कसं नाही काम जो कसं नाही any help, any information you want, you're always there. एक निमगेल्यारी चार information. एक कसं नाही निमगेल्या चार like you know variety of stuff. So तशी and so much fun we had for your wedding, the ceremonies, especially after the Phulmudi. I remember Rangila had just released and we danced so much to that song Rang Rang Rangila Re, and I'm sure Sukesh Tugal side people must have thought like we are a little bit wonky, but then we are like we can't defend ourselves. So here's wishing you another, not 25, whatever, like so many more years of happy togetherness, fun times. Most important is fun, good health, wealth, happiness, and may you always be surrounded by loved ones. I always say that to most people. And may you all be blessed with contentment and peace of mind, very much required in these times. So my love to you both. Happy anniversary, happy 25th anniversary, and best wishes from Ashok as well. Okay, bye.
वाह वाह राम जी, जोड़ी क्या बनाई सुकेश और प्रज्ञा को। बधाई हो बधाई, सब रस्मों में बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई. Happy 25th anniversary to all our birds.
Happy 25th anniversary.
Happy 25th anniversary to Sukesh. Cheers to 25 years.
Happy anniversary, Prajna, Sukesh. You guys are the golden couple of our family. Makes me very, very happy to wish you both a wonderful anniversary. Wishing you the very best in life always. Love you guys.
Radhika and Sukesh Babaji, happy wedding anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, dear Prajna and Sukesh. We wish you a wonderful anniversary, and we hope to see you soon after this lockdown is over. And wish you another 25 years at least.
Dev bare karo.
Dev bare karo. Bye.
Hi Prajna and Sukesh. Wish you a very happy 25th anniversary. May there be many more. Wish I could come there and celebrate with you in person. This is the best I can do. So God bless and have a wonderful anniversary. Take care. Bye.
Happy 25th wedding anniversary, Sukesh and Prajna.
Happy silver wedding, Prajna and Sukesh. Wishing you many more years of happy togetherness. You are one of the nicest, most lovable couples we know.
Whenever I think of Prajna and Sukesh, I think of them as they always are. Always smiling away together, laughing together. In fact, I think they are one of the most made for each other couples I have ever seen. So wishing the extra special couple a very extra special day on their extra special wedding anniversary. 25 years together is a lovely milestone. Happy wedding anniversary, dear Prajna and Sukesh. We would have loved to be there with you and celebrate your big day with you. But since we can't, we are sending all our love and our very best wishes for many happy years ahead. So have a great day, and we are looking forward to celebrating it with you when all this is behind us. Then we will get together and party in a very big way. Till then, very happy wedding anniversary again. Bye.
Happy anniversary, Paggi and Sukesh.
Happy anniversary, Paggi and Sukesh. I remember 4 years back we celebrated together our anniversary together in California, and now we're doing it virtually. Both of you are just an amazing couple, made for each other. So very helpful and so big-hearted. Wishing you loads and loads of happiness always.
Wish you happy 25th wedding anniversary. Be happy always. Stay blessed.
प्रज्ञा अँड सुकेश मावेने भरपूर आशीर्वाद तुमगे 25 वर्षाचे वाढीचे दिसाचे कळ्ळें लोकांनी पळयना तितले वंडरफुल कपल्स तुमी देव तुमगे नाय खुशी दवरो कळ्ळें देव मना आशी तुगळे तुमगेले आश पूर्ती करो केदाय हसता हसता अशी मते
हाय प्रज्ञा सुकेश तुमका हॅपी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी तुमगेल वर्डीक जावन 25 वर्ष जाली म्हणून म्हाका आयकून भारी खुशी कसला म्हणाली तुका हांव चेडूच मेगेल मनात आनीक तूं चेडूशी आसा तुका वर्डीक जावन 25 वर्ष गंमतेर लायफाक तूं स्पेंड केलें म्हणून खुशी जाली म्हाका आनी मुखार तुगे लायफ पुरे गंमतेरी चंद रितीरी वच्चे म्हणून सांगून देवा लागीं हांव प्रार्थिता.
Wish you happy wedding anniversary, Prajna and Sukesh. देव तुमको बरे करो.
Happy anniversary, Prajnaka and Sukesh Babaji.
Congratulations on your 25th anniversary.
Best wishes from all of us for many, many more years together.
Hey Puggy and Sukesh, wanted to wish you guys a very happy 25th wedding anniversary. Have a wonderful day, enjoy your day, praying for 25 more years to come. Both Ria and Nathan are wishing you a happy anniversary too. We'll talk to you all soon. Bye.
Sukesh Papa, Pradnip Pache, wish you a very happy wedding anniversary. Have a great 25th wedding anniversary. आणि मुखार तुमकां असल सुमार एनिवर्सरी सेलिब्रेट करच्याक ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी देऊ गम्मत सेलिब्रेट करायची
आमगेले प्रज्ञा आणि सुकेश बाबाजी दोगेले मेन पावली कपल तांणी बारी कुटीर आसोची आनी ते मुखार येवचे टायम येवचे वर्स नंतर 16 वर्सांनी गम्मत आसता आमी देवा कार्यक्रम करून घेतात.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary, Pradnya and Sukesh.
Happy wedding anniversary,
Pradnya and Sukesh Babaji. Me and my mama ne tumko wish kella. Have a fun time, okay? Bye.
Bye.
Happy anniversary, Pradnya and Sukesh. आणि काही मस्त मस्त असलेला एक anniversary celebrate करता तुम्ही. You're the ideal couple. Please be so always.
Please be so.
Happy anniversary, Pradnya, Sukesh.
Anniversary, happy birthday. Anniversary, happy birthday to you.
Pradnya ka Sukesh Babaji.
Yucky.
Hi Puggy, Sukesh. Happy silver wedding anniversary. तुमकडे कसं आसा 25 वर्स पुढे तुमगेल वाडीक येयल्यार हांव तुमगेल वाडीकेचो ऑफिशियल फोटोग्राफर आशिल्लो. हांव तुमगेल सिल्वर जुबलीक येवन फोटो काडका म्हणलें केलें बट ना नेक्स्ट गोल्डन जुबली सेलिब्रेशन हांव तुमगेल ऑफिशियल फोटोग्राफर आसता. ओके ओके बाय लव यू.
Happy wedding anniversary, dear Pradnyaka and Sukesh Babaji. Wishing you many more years of fruitful togetherness. God bless.
Hi, my dearest. Meeting you guys always means tons of fun and laughter. So I thought I'd write a very funny poem dedicated to you for your silver wedding anniversary. So here goes. Amgel kutumbechi doni love birds, Suki and Puggy. तांकां वर्ल्डीक जाल्ली मस्त वगी. तांगेल हनीमूना टिकेट बूक करूंक आमी सक्कड वटू चमकलेलेंची व्हॅनारी. हनीमूनाक तांणी दोग मात्र चमकलेलेंची ट्रेनारी. खंय गेल्यार वटू वचितांनी देवस्थानां टुरिस्ट स्पॉट स्टेट्स सक्कड पळयलां हांनी. अ लविंग अँड वंडरफुल होस्ट टू द कोर. एक पंत दोगां एकलें करताची जोर. पगीक शॉपिंग करची भारी प्रीती. आमगेल सुकीक क्रेडिट कार्ड दिवचे ना रीती. तांगेल 50th anniversary ग्रँड कोण सेलिब्रेट करका म्हणू देवाल निवेदन. मे गॉड ब्लेस अँड कीप यू सेफ इज माय प्रार्थन. लव यू लोड्स Puggy and Suki. Wish you a very very happy 25th anniversary and may this be the happiest one. God bless. Bye bye.
Hi, happy wedding anniversary. A brilliant silver wedding anniversary to both of you.
Happy wedding anniversary. Have a lovely day and a great lifetime ahead together, filled with lots of love, joy, togetherness, and everything. Enjoy yourselves.
Hi Puggy Maya, hi Sukesh Mom. Happy wedding anniversary to you guys.
Happy wedding anniversary. Lots of love.
Bye bye.
Take care.
Take care. Bye bye.
Happy wedding anniversary, Pradnyaka and Sukesh Babaji. Have fun.
Happy wedding anniversary. Happy silver wedding anniversary, Pradnya and Sukesh. Wishing you both many years of happy togetherness.
Pradnya, देव बरं करो.
इतली वर्ष कशी गेली म्हणून होता बरें करो 25 वर्ष कृष्णान म्हणून होता भारी गम्मत तयार केली सर भारी कुसली तुमगेले 25th वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी कर पुढे असं सांगली म्हणून पेशांत
Happy 25th anniversary! When we meet next, we're going to party and dance the night away.
Until then, here's a small trailer for you.
वाह वाह राम जी जोड़ी क्या बनाई भैया और भाभी को बधाई हो बधाई सब रस्मों से बड़ी है जग में दिल से दिल की सगाई